everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make these gorgeous earrings which are fashionable long jhumka and made using paper quilling strips. These are very light in weight and it can goes very well with any Indian outfit like sari, kurta or ghagra. And the combination is looking super pretty. I have used here maroon and white colors along with the mirror work, and this is looking super gorgeous, isn't it? So you can wear it in upcoming festive season like Diwali or any wedding ceremony. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am starting with making the base jhumka. For this I am taking 8 strips of white color in 3 mm and making one big tight coil. So tight coil is ready. Just secure the end using glue, flatten it nicely, and then using quilling mold I am just shaping it. So dome is ready. Now filling the dome using liquid glue, spread it nicely with brush and allow it to dry completely. And the dome is dried. Now at the edge of the dome I am adding glue and decorating with pearl chain. Then for the next row I am adding maroon color ball chain. Then for the third row I am adding gold color ball chain. Like this. Allow it to set for a few minutes. Then here I am taking one golden color jump ring in 5 mm, passing 6 off-white color L'Oreals. These are ready-made L'Oreals which I got from craftgully, and I am filling this jump ring using 6 L'Oreals. Then passing one eye pin through the jump ring, secure the jump ring nicely with the plier. And the bottom hanging should look like this. So cute. Then passing 2 white color pearls through this. These are 5 mm pearls. And then passing it through the jhumka. Then on top of this I am adding one golden pearl and one off-white color bead. Cutting the excess wire from top and just twist it and create the loop using plier. And the super cute base jhumka is ready. You can use earring as it is. Now here I am taking one strip of maroon color in 2 mm and making one tight coil. Then on top of this I am sticking one circular mirror which is having same size as base. I think this is 6 mm or 7 mm mirror. Then wrapping one strip of maroon color of 3 mm around this. Then adding pearl chain around the circle, cutting the excess pearl chain. and then wrapping this complete circle using 3 strips of maroon color in 3 mm. Like this. Then here I am taking one golden jump ring and passing through the strip when we reach to 1.5 strip, and then we have to pass the remaining strip from the jump ring each time when we rotate it around the circle. In this way you can easily tuck the jump ring inside tight coil. Secure the end using glue, and this is done. Then I am taking half strip of maroon color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. Similarly, I have already prepared some more tight coils. Now taking back the mirror work base, and on both sides of this jump ring I am adding 2 tight coils. So it should look like this. Then taking one gold jump ring, passing 2 off-white L'Oreals through this, and then passing the jump ring through one of the tight coils which we have added. And before attaching the L'Oreals with tight coils, the tight coils should be dried nicely. Secure it nicely, and similarly I am going to add 2 L'Oreals with jump ring and attaching with each tight coils. So it will look like this. Then I am taking my glue bottle cap and just tracing it on maroon color cardstock. We need 2 circles. Here I am showing you how to attach the stud with earring. Then I am cutting both the circles. Creating hole in one of the circle using pointed tweezer. Then taking the flat circle, sticking it on back side of the earring, taking the golden color stud, passing through another circle on which we have created the hole, add lots of glue and connect with another circle. In this way you can create nice and sturdy attachment of the studs. You don't need any strong adhesive or any strong glue. Paper glue will work very nicely. Now I am binding it nicely using my tweezers from all the sides and allow it to dry. And the beautiful topmost stud is ready. Just attaching the back and it will look like this. So pretty. Then for the next layer, I am taking here 1.5 strip of white color in 2 mm and making one teardrop shape. Then adding glue on this teardrop and taking same size mirror in teardrop shape and attaching with this. Then add glue on the edge, and I am adding one strip of white color in 3 mm around this. Add glue on the edge and decorating this with pearl chain. And then around this I am adding total 4 strips of white color in 3 mm. Again, when we will reach to the center part of the strip, passing golden jump ring through this, and it will come on the topmost part of the teardrop shape. Now rotating the strip by passing through the jump ring each time, just like we did before. And this is done. Secure the end nicely, and it should look like this. Then fill the backside of this design using glue. Spread it nicely with brush to make it more sturdy. And allow it to dry. Then here I have prepared total 7 tight coils using half strip of maroon color in 3 mm, just like we did before, and I am sticking it on the bottom part of the teardrop, one in the center and 3 tight coils on both the sides. Like this. Then taking one golden jump ring, adding 2 L'Oreals and passing through the tight coil, just like we created before. And with a similar method, I am going to cover remaining tight coils. We just need to leave the center tight coil as it is. Then here I am taking one more gold jump ring, passing through the center golden jump ring of the stud, and then connecting 2 L'Oreals on both the sides of jump ring, and then connecting the teardrop shape with this. So after securing with plier, it should look like this. And you can keep your long earring if you don't want longer height. This is also looking pretty, but we are going to attach the jhumka with this. And can you see both the L'Oreals which we have added right now? It is looking very pretty. Then taking one more jump ring, passing through the center tight coil of the white teardrop and attaching the jhumka with this. secure it nicely, and the earring is ready. In this way my complete jhumka pattern is ready. This is looking very fashionable, very ethnic, very festive, and the color combination is looking just like wow. And you can create as many as you want in different colors. On both the sides I have attached the same mirror, because while wearing it can move here and there, so it should look nice from all the sides. And the beautiful and gorgeous long jhumkas are ready. So in this way you can create your own jhumka in this festive season. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.